अन्वय व्यतिरेकाच्च साक्ष्यात्मा व्यभिचारिणः वैतथ्यं व्यभिचारं च निद्रान्तेस्यानुचिन्तयेत्. This sloka from Bhagavata says, the God is there everywhere and whenever the world is, and wherever or whenever the world is not there. He oversees all the world does. From within us. In the mornings, after waking up, one should think of the fact that the world is not there whenever and wherever the God is, and that the God has nothing to do with this material world. This thought gives us the required stability and indifferent mentality to do our duties in this world. It is always seen that many of us are after money, name and fame. We do things only to satisfy our ego, to gain appreciation, recognition, and only to uphold our self-esteem. It is told there in a Sanskrit Subhashita, Ghatam bhindyat, patam chindyat, kuryad vata chatushtayam, yena kena prakarena prasiddha purusho bhava. Just break out a pot or tear out a cloth or blabber something whatever and try to be at the glare of public by hook or crook. Because of this mentality, so many times we gain what we want and sometimes we may not gain. Our ego may not be satisfied. We may not get appreciated, recognized. Our self-esteem and ego will be neglected totally. Consequently, we lose our interest and our commitment to do our duty. With God, we have a Bimba Pratibimba Sambandha. We are the reflected images of Almighty. If our Bimba is not after money, name or fame, why we, the Pratibimbas, are after money, name or fame? Nanavaptam avaptavyam vartayevacha karmani. As he himself says in Bhagavad Gita, I have nothing to gain. Still, I have been doing my duty in this world. This is the nature of Almighty. If this is adopted, that gives us stability and indifferent mentality to do our duties without expecting appreciation, recognition, name or fame.